Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can enable ghost mode on your Snapchat. Snapchat has an option to share your location. This can be a useful feature when you want to find someone on the map or find people who are close to you. But many people are afraid that someone will track their location and they don't want other people to know where they are. This can be turned off very easily. The first step is to open Snapchat. After that, we click on the emoji of our profile in the upper left corner. Basic information about us opens here. The one we need is location, which is at the bottom of the options. When we found it, click on sharing location. Here we have the options of who can see our location. There we can choose to see it only our friends, my friends, accept and only certain friends. However, the option we need is ghost mode. We click on the switch and that's it. Now no one can see our location. In the pop-up window, we will be asked how long we want to stay in ghost mode. The option we choose is until turned off. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.